I look like somebody's grandma. The sad thing and great thing, I'm totally okay with that. Bonnet, nose rings, piercings, I look like somebody's auntie. But we gotta change it up a little bit, okay? We just gotta get out of this mode. In 3, 2, 1. It's always good to feel yourself, you know? It's always good to feel good. What's good? What's popping, y'all? How you guys doing? This beautiful, 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 beautiful mother effing day. Your girl Jazzy is doing good. Let me actually sit y'all on a dang tripod. Damn. Okay, so today, basically, you can see my trashy room, which is okay. I don't really care. Alright, so basically we're going to be doing this glass painting. Yeah, pretty much we're just going to be doing a glass painting, y'all. Y'all can see it by camera, tripod, whatever. So for my glass drawing, y'all, look who I'm going to be doing. He's so freaking cute. Now, I did get this picture off Google, so, you know, whoever owns this picture, you own this picture, baby. I am not claiming this picture at all. But yeah, this is the most cutest, chubbiest kurama I've ever seen. Let's just get started, y'all. Let's just get started. What's up, y'all? Just wanted to say I got this picture frame from Dollar General for like $5. So this is a cheap and easy DIY. The paints I used from Walmart were like 50 cents. The Apple Barrel brand paints. But yeah, I'm just gonna be like not necessarily doing a tutorial because this is simple, you know, but I'm gonna just guide y'all through my process and pretty much what I did. But right now you see me taping the picture down to the back of the glass, the front of the glass. It's kind of hard to say because you use the back, but instead you paint the show. It's kind of like a reflection. It's so hard to say, like, I don't know. So pretty much I just started outlining the picture. You see me doing the tails, the face, the ears. I'm pretty much doing that the whole time, and I'm gonna just come back when I'm done doing this part. Also, if kurama is not your favorite Toby's, not just playing. Well, it is probably one of my favorite Toby's, honestly. Or Misaki. I love her. She's so cute and so fiery. Like, yes sir, yes sir. But anyway, kurama, he cool. You know, you just gotta love one of the main characters, like sub characters. Is that how you say it? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna just finish this. Also, okay, so this part I'm showing y'all, remember, it's the back and not the front. The front will be the like final picture. It's pretty much a reflection. It's almost like he's looking in the mirror and I'm just tracing it, and I see the final reflection when I'm done. But yeah, I did start with the paints. Pretty much when you start painting, y'all, you go in and do the details first. He did see I did his whiskers in Sharpie just because, but when I'm starting with the eyes, I started with the black pupils instead of like painting, and then instead of painting the red and you would normally like do the pupils like normal, right? But no, I started with the pupils, and then I did the red. But y'all can see me right now doing the shadows on the tail, and then I paint the orange on top. It just makes sense because when you flip the glass over, you know, it's not the same. It's almost like you're painting backwards, y'all. So I just want you guys to be mindful of that you are painting backwards, and when you flip it over, it should be a reflection of what you see from the original picture of the original character. Yeah, but pretty much I'm using Apple Barrel brand paints. They're 50 cents at my Walmart. I don't know about y'all, but they're 50 cents at my Walmart. So yeah, with the paints, I do want to say y'all gotta have the layer on the paints, okay? Because when I turned it over, at least cheap paints, maybe thicker acrylic, yeah, because when I chose like one of my more expensive brands of acrylic, it laid on better. But if you're like doing this just for fun, just for a project, and you're not spending that much money on paints or anything, I would say you have to layer stuff like this, because when I flipped it over, I was like, what the hell? And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to do the layers on here pretty thick. So yeah, you guys see I'm starting with the details first, and then I will go in with his like full body orange pretty soon. I'm gonna leave y'all alone real quick. I did want to mention I didn't use paint for the black parts around his eyes, simply because I felt like the Sharpie was just eating something. They're so cute. It's like these Japanese little snacks. But anyway, the Sharpie, I just felt like it would just make it pop way better, but I did end up going and just layering on black paint because I wanted to look super like in the anime and like drawings and stuff, and just like the comic, the manga, the black part around his eyes are very black. Excuse my hair in the camera. But yeah, so far when I flipped it over, I was like, what the hell? And now I'm realizing, okay, I'm gonna have to layer and let your paints dry before you try to go over it. I did that with the pupils on the eyes. I didn't let the black fully dry, and so like the red and the black kind of like blended together. It was such a mess, but I didn't want to scrape it off, so I just ended up fixing it later. And now you guys are finna see me do the rest of his fur in like the pretty bright orange that he is. And y'all, when I say this turned out good, this turned out good, okay? Don't play with me, don't play with the kid, don't play with the kid. I'm gonna sign off now. Okay, I'm back. Hi. So I do want to say it looks freaking crazy, but once you flip the picture over, y'all, and y'all get what y'all need to do done, the final results actually turn out pretty freaking great, and I'm so excited for you guys to see. It's just crazy. I think this was like my 3rd or 4th layer. I did do some off camera, by the way, which I do recommend you guys letting it dry. But I think I'm gonna show y'all. Oh yep, I'm gonna show y'all. Or I'm looking at myself and not gonna show y'all. I'm like, nope, they can't see to the end, god damn it. But yeah, I do recommend going and checking to see if you missed any spots. Like I missed a couple spots around the eyes, and that's when I decided to go in with the black paint around the eyes, because I had already did the paints and the Sharpie was already drying. So I was like, you know, I might as well just go in with the black paint to make it darker, make it pop a little bit more, and also just, you know, keep that layer on there, because the paint will last longer than a Sharpie, in my honest opinion. But yeah, the final the final project is almost done. I'm so excited. Let it dry, y'all. This was after layers, and then y'all can kind of see where I was talking about a little bit earlier. So I did go on the flip side, the actual side, to fix it, to clean up some lines. Guys, y'all can do this. It doesn't have to just stay on the other side. I mean, it's just glass, and like at the end you won't be able to tell because everything should blend in with everything, y'all. But the final picture is coming up in 3, 2, 1.